Viewers, a startling case similar to the Atul Subhash suicide case in Bengaluru has emerged from the national capital. Just like Atul Subhash, Puneet Khurana, a businessman from Delhi, also recorded a 55-minute video. And we're learning that Puneet was undergoing the process of divorce from his wife. The process had started this September. However, his wife was constantly seeking more money from him in form of alimony from Puneet and his family. And this was resulting in mental harassment of Puneet. A similar kind of tactic was being applied by his wife, just like his elder sister, who also is undergoing a divorce in the court, and through alimony and was able to acquire a property from a husband who needs. Wife was also trying to follow the same pattern. Now, Puneet Khurana's family friend, Jatin Khanna, has made allegations about his suicide, comparing it to the Atul Subhash case. So, viewers, what we see right now, that this is a case coming out from the national capital where we see that it's very close to, according to the family friends of Puneet Khurana, it's very, very similar to the Bengaluru techie Atul Subhash's suicide case. Family members and friends of Puneet Khurana say that there are many factors that have led to Puneet's untimely demise. So a 40-year-old man has, from what we have understood, has committed suicide by hanging himself from a ceiling fan. This happened in Delhi. And we are coming to know that Jatin Khanna, who's a family friend of the deceased, has made startling revelations, drawing parallels with the Bengaluru techie Atul Subhash's suicide case. We'll try to get you more details on this because we are still coming to know more details. But from what we understand and what the family friends are saying is that Puneet had a love marriage with his wife in 2016, and she was also his business partner. All right. Let's go to Samiksha joining us from the Delhi newsroom. Samiksha, Puneet Khurana's family members say that he's committed suicide because of his wife and in-laws. I'm just coming over to you because we also have family members joining in.
That's right, Shivangi. We are being joined by Leena Khattar, who's the sister of Puneet Khurana. Mrs. Khattar, हमें थोड़ा और बताइए, एक जो 16 मिनट की ऑडियो क्लिप जो वायरल हुई है, उसके बारे में थोड़ा हमें बताइए. उसमें पुनीत का क्या कहना है कि वो क्यों टॉर्चर हो रहे थे अपने वाइफ के थ्रू?
She totally mentally harassed my brother. She even threatened him that she will torture my parents. She will throw them out of their house. She will put blames on my father. She provoked him so much that he took such decision. She first notion sign kiya gaya. Whatever she said, we fulfilled that. But then suddenly she refused. I won't sign the second notion of the divorce. She started demanding more and more. She gave WhatsApp messages. उन्होंने बहुत सारी demands, around 4-5 demands लिख के भेजी, which included around some money per month. And she also asked that you have to pay my lawyer's fees also. He said, I will throw you and your family out of the house.
Right.
मैं गुंडे भिजवा, तेरे माँ बाप को भी पिटवाऊंगी, तेरे रिश्तेदारों को भी जेल भिजवाऊंगी.
जी.
ये words.
Now, the family has also alleged that there was an audio recording which Puneet had made, a 55-minute clip. Could you also tell us, has this been shared with the police?
It was a video,
right,
which was exactly 59 minutes, 34 seconds, which he made just before attempting suicide. जिसमें उसने clearly सब कुछ बोला है कि मनिका ने, उसके पेरेंट्स ने स्टार्टिंग से लेके अब तक उसको कैसे हरास किया, कैसे मेंटली टॉर्चर किया, उसके पेरेंट्स को भी किया, जिसकी वजह से वो ये स्टेप उठा रहा है. Now we want justice. और मैं अपने भाई का क्रियाक्रम होने नहीं दूंगी जब तक मुझे वो वीडियो मिलेगी नहीं, बिकॉज पुलिस इज रिफ्यूजिंग टू सेंड अस अ वीडियो.
Yes. Ms. Khattar, if you can also tell us, has an FIR been registered and anything known so far about the whereabouts of the right?
पुलिस FIR भी नहीं ले रही है. इवन कल से बड़ी गई हुई है, अभी तक उन्होंने पोस्टमार्टम भी नहीं किया है. कल के लिए डिले कर दिया गया.
Also, anything known so far about the whereabouts of the wife, her parents, who or any role that is being probed so far, as far as the wife's role is concerned in the suicide?
We don't know what's happening on that end.
ऑल्सो हमें बताइए कि आपका क्या रिक्वेस्ट रहेगी, अभी अभी आप क्या चाहते हैं, FIR रजिस्टर हो और क्या एक्शन लेना चाहिए? राइट,
अब जस्टिस चाहते हैं, FIR हो, पोस्टमार्टम हो हमें, लेकिन मुझे वो वीडियो चाहिए. उससे पहले मैं कुछ होने नहीं दूंगी. ना पुलिस ने अभी तक FIR दी है और ना हमें वीडियो दी जा रही है.
जी जी. और जो अभी व्यूअर्स देख रहे हैं, अगर आप हमें फिर से एक बार और बताइए, वो 16 मिनट की ऑडियो क्लिप जो वायरल हो रही है जिसमें पुनीत की आवाज़ सुनाई दे रही है, उसमें वो क्या बता रहे हैं कि उनको कैसे टॉर्चर करती थी उनकी एस्ट्रेंज्ड वाइफ?
बिल्कुल, उसको कैसे मेंटली हरेस किया, उसको रात को इतना प्रोवोक, इतना बोला गया, तू तो डरता है, यू कांट डू एनीथिंग, यू कांट टेक एनी स्टेप, हिम्मत है तो जा करके दिखा, मर के दिखा. एग्जैक्टली दिस वाज हर वर्ड्स.
ऑल राइट. बस लास्ट क्वेश्चन, वो जो 55 मिनट की वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग है, क्या वो फैमिली ने शेयर करी है पुलिस के साथ?
हाँ जी.
जो 15 मिनट की वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग है वो पुलिस के साथ शेयर करी गई है?
59 मिनट वाली वीडियो.
राइट.
इट्स 59 मिनट्स 34 सेकंड्स. यस, पुलिस ने उसका फोन रात को सीज है, सुनाई पर हमें शेयर नहीं करी, एंड दे टुक द फोन, सीज कर दिया गया उसको. एंड वी आस्क्ड कि प्लीज शेयर अस द वीडियो. दे आर रिफ्यूजिंग दैट, दे वोंट.
ऑल राइट, मिस खट्टर, धन्यवाद हमसे बात करने के लिए. वी ओनली होप दैट जस्टिस इज सर्व्ड टू योर ब्रदर हु लॉस्ट हिज लाइफ. Appreciate you talking to us. We only hope justice is served and FIR is registered at the earliest. Yes, please speak.
We just want justice. हम चाहते हैं प्लीज आप हमारा साथ दें, उनके अगेंस्ट स्ट्रिक्ट से स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन लिया जाए और पुलिस उनको अरेस्ट करे, जेल में डाले. whatever is the legal procedure that should be followed.
And this is not the first time.
And this is not the first time they are doing so. Their daughter means elder sister. Same story is also repeated earlier with her. उसके हस्बैंड को भी ये लोग टोटली हरास करते हैं. उसके हस्बैंड का भी इन लोगों ने फ्लोर अपने अंडर रखा हुआ है. उसकी दो डॉटर्स हैं, वो उसको भी उससे मिलने नहीं देते हैं. कनिका पावा है उसकी सिस्टर का नाम. उस सेम स्टोरी, हमने अपना भाई खो दिया, खोया उन्होंने भी बहुत कुछ है.
जी. जस्ट लास्ट क्वेश्चन, बहुत सारे व्यूअर्स को ये भी जानना है कि क्या डिवोर्स हो चुका था और एलिमनी डिमांड क्या करी थी वाइफ ने?
म्यूचुअल डाइवोर्स
जी
डिसाइड हुआ, जिसका 30 सितंबर को फर्स्ट नोशन साइन हो गया. सेकंड नोशन की डेट लेनी बाकी थी, कुछ पेपर वर्क फॉर्मेलिटीज कुछ थी, वो चल रही थी. उसके बाद सेकंड नोशन की हमें डेट मिली नहीं थी, जिसमें सब कुछ क्लियरली मेंशन था कि एक ये था कि वेयर, जहां हमारे डिमांड्स वगैरह जो सारी फुलफिल थी, डिमांड्स जो भी थी हमने फुलफिल कर दी. म्यूचुअल दोनों ने साइन कर दिया था, एंड वी वर जस्ट वेटिंग कि सेकंड नोशन की डेट दे दी जाए. पर अराउंड फ्यू डेज बैक शी यूज्ड कि वो फर्स्ट नोशन जो उसके किया है वो उसको नहीं मानेगी, सेकंड नोशन तो वो साइन ही नहीं करेगी, वो कुछ एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगी. शी स्टार्टेड डिमांडिंग मोर एंड मोर.
कोई अमाउंट था जो स्पेसिफिक एस्ट्रेंज्ड वाइफ डिमांड कर रही थी पुनीत से, और कितना अमाउंट ऑलरेडी दे चुके थे वो, या फिर उन्होंने अग्री करा था कि देंगे?
Actually, I don't remember the exact figure, but she demanded money. She also said that you have to pay my lawyer's fees. You have to give, matlab, they already have our gold. We won't give you that back. We will throw you out of the house. These were her new demands.
और हम ये भी जानना चाहेंगे क्या लीगल रिकॉर्ड्स अब क्या रहेगा, आपने लॉयर्स से बात करी है, नेक्स्ट एक्शन क्या रहेगा पुनीत की फैमिली की साइड से?
फिलहाल तो हम पुलिस से ही रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, बट पुलिस की तरफ से हमें कुछ रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आ रहा है. वी आर सेइंग कि आप प्लीज एफआईआर लिखिए, पोस्टमार्टम करिए, पर उन्होंने कुछ भी नहीं किया है अभी तक. दे आर जस्ट डिलेइंग बाय गिविंग us various reasons कि it's the procedure, it's a long way, you have to wait, आज होगा कल होगा.
जी Ms. Khattar, we appreciate you speaking to us. We honestly hope that an FIR is registered at the earliest and all legal options that can be explored are taken up by the family. Appreciate you for speaking to us.
Yes. We have, Samiksha, we were speaking to the family members of Puneet Khurana, and just as we tell our viewers more about this, we see that the family members are leveling allegations against wife and in-laws. They're saying that they should threaten him every day over financial and property issues. So the 59-minute conversation has been recorded, Samiksha, and that's what the family members are saying. It's a 59-minute conversation which has been recorded. It was a video recording, and from what we know that in that video recording, there was a lot of threats which were made by the deceased's wife towards Khurana, who, this is what we're learning of right now, Samiksha. And before we, of course, go to other stories, if you could take our viewers through once more about the allegations which have come in from the family side, because the circumstances of Puneet's death, the conversations, the parallels are being drawn with the Bengaluru techie Atul Subhash's suicide case.
That's right, Shivangi, and you know, this is a 16-minute audio recording, a purported audio recording of Puneet that has surfaced. If I can just read out a few excerpts, highlights from that audio recording, the purported audio recording of Puneet that has surfaced, in which he says that in this audio recording in which it is heard, all you want is the passwords from you, you've been asking for jewelry from me, I'm still a partner, you need to clear my dues. Now this is what the wife is heard saying to her husband, the deceased person here, Puneet Khurana, that is. She further says that we will meet in court and do what is needed. You humiliated me and left me for your father. A father shouldn't ruin his daughter's wife. You and your family have tortured me. I'm still a partner, you need to clear my dues. So clearly it's evident how the wife is allegedly threatening Puneet and asking for money. She further says that you made a commitment and backed off, further saying that you were a partner in business, still in losses. So trying to bring his morale down as well is what is evident from that audio recording that has surfaced. She's also heard saying that you've been disgracing my family. You will now threaten to commit suicide. This is also heard in that purported audio clip, Shivangi, that has surfaced. She says your fate is twisted for you to call me this late. Do not show me your face. You're not important. You are a loose guy. See what your parents did. I was not wrong. You left me on property. You will lose. I will go after you now. So clearly, this purported audio clip that has surfaced, the wife of Puneet Khurana is heard not just threatening him, but also trying to bring his morale down, that he's incurred losses in his business and that he will have to pay dues to her. Shivangi.
All right. Thank you, Samiksha, for getting us those details. We will, of course, be getting our viewers more details because Republic has accessed the last 16 minutes of that 59-minute call where there are a lot of conversations between Puneet Khurana and his wife and the allegations which were made.